Life's good, I'm loving it, living it to the max, despite the threat of bomb attacks and monetary collapse. And yes, perhaps I am naive, but I believe in what I do, cause the world we make believe could be the world where dreams come true. So let's just do it, cause we're worth it, be inspired to start again, cause the rules were only written with some paper and a pen, and not everything in black and white makes sense, my friend. So challenge everything, follow your own rules until the end, cause life's good, and I mean the real thing, not that bullshit superficial image that you're given on your TV screen. Life's good, and I mean the real thing, not that bullshit superficial image that you're given on your TV screen. Life's good. Some things in life that money can't buy, some truth from which you can't hide. So obey your thirst for knowledge and expand your mind. Change your world and realign, cause understanding comes with time, and mankind needs to find a brand new paradigm before the world gets wrecked. But don't get upset, learn to treat it with respect, cause it's without a doubt the best a man can get. And yes, I know that we've a way to go just yet, but impossible is nothing when there's nothing to correct. And life's good, and I mean the real thing, not that bullshit superficial image that you're given on your TV screen. Life's good, and I mean the real thing, not that bullshit superficial image that you're given on your TV screen. Life's good.